Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. Okay, I'm starting this vlog for like the 50th time. When I first started it, my week started on an amazing high and then it went to shit. Like, it became the worst week ever. My grandpa passed away. It was just horrible, which is why I've been so absent the last few weeks, because I've just been spending time with family and all that. And then I tried to vlog again, but I could not get into it for the life of me. But we're starting, it's Monday, we're starting fresh and it should be good. So, as you can tell, I'm in my car with myself. There's no kid in the back because Evie's got the day off today, so I'm going to have a little bit of a mama pamper session. I have been dying to get my eyelashes lifted since I last got them done last year before I went to the USA and Mexico. So yeah, today is the day I can finally go and get them done. I'm gonna show you guys a little before I'm gonna show you guys a little before in case before I go, in case like when I get there, like I don't get the chance to do it. But these are my lashes before. My lashes droop at the sides of my eyes. I have almond shaped eyes, but they look more droopy because of my lashes. When I get them lifted, it just changes the shape. I can't freaking talk today. It just changes the shape of my eye. Okay, now that I've got that out of the way, I am just gonna put in her address in my GPS and I'm gonna get going. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I am so excited. I have been dying for this for so long. Oh, you can't see. And Lena, I get them done by Lena's Lash List. Well, I feel like I'm so all over the place this morning, but I'm so freaking excited. I get them done by Lena's Lash Lifts. I'll put her Instagram here on the screen. She is the freaking best human being, like all-around human being. She is the most incredible person, and she is the best at what she does. Like, honestly, I can't go to anyone else. Like, she is the best. So if you're in Melbourne and you want an incredible person who does incredible eyelash lifts and tints, check out Lena. She's the best. Okay, I better get going now because I'm a very punctual person and I don't like to be late. So I just got home. My lashes have been lifted. I'm so happy. I got a bit of tint under my eyes, but that should wash off when I take a shower tomorrow. I can't wet them for 24 hours, but they look so good. I'm so happy. My eyes don't look so droopy anymore because she lifts like the corners of my eyes. Then I'm talking really fast because my husband and child are at the window. And I want to go cuddle my baby, so I'll be back. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I've got quite a bit I'm doing today. I'm just gonna flip the camera around. So there's lots of stuff going on here. This is actually a basket of things that Maddie has grown out of. So I'm kind of going through everything and I'm going to, what do you call it? Pack them away in these vacuum bags. I don't want to throw things out because obviously I do plan on having more babies. So I just want to save them for when I do have the next one. Yeah, so I've got like a mix of colors. I've got like lots of white. There's also quite a bit of pink. I'm gonna keep them anyway because in case baby number 2 is a girl, she could wear those. If not, that's okay. Can leave them for the next one. I just don't want to throw so many things out because I know I'll reuse them anyway. So yeah, I'm just packing things away. I'm also packing away my maternity dresses as well because I didn't want to throw them out in case I didn't. By the way, when I say throw them out, I mean donate. I've got like these green donation bags that I like to put them in, and then I'll get the salvos to pick them up. Diabetes Australia. And yeah, I didn't want to throw out or donate the maternity dresses because just in case that the next time I'm pregnant I don't find what I'm looking for, and I know I'll get reuse out of those if I'm pregnant in summer. It might be a bit noisy in the background because I keep the TV on. I'm very flustered because it's very warm in here. I've got the heaters running, but I've got to keep the heaters and the TV on because Maddie doesn't sleep when it's cold or quiet. Which I can't complain, so I can make all the noise I want and she'll sleep. But if the house is dead quiet, forget it, she won't sleep. So I've always got like white noise running. I've got a little white noise sound machine that plays like a beach sound that she likes, and I've also got her riff-raff with her. So there's 2 things going off in the room as well as the TV, and she sleeps like a baby because she's a baby. But yeah, what else am I doing today? I'm very pink. Okay, so my pantry. You guys have seen this many times, I think, but I want to go through and label all of the jars or containers, whatever you want to call them. So I've got a labeler. I don't know if I want to use like white labels or like the clear ones. I don't think I want to do the white because I feel like just seeing like little white strips would really annoy me. I think clear would be a little bit more visually appealing. If you are Middle Eastern, sunflower seeds and mette are a must in your pantry. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing at the moment. Thought I'd update you guys. Maddie's asleep. It's so funny. I'm transitioning her because she's got I put her in the Love to Dream swaddles, and I've put her in like the next one because she's 4 months. I'm starting to transition her to have her arms out. So I've put her in like a new swaddle, and I've zipped one of the arms out, and before I put her to sleep, or when I put her down, she would just start crying. I'd put her dummy in her mouth and she'd just pull it out, start crying until I'd put it back in. It was so funny. A little bit annoying, but so funny. Let's have a little peek. I can't deal. I just want to eat her up. I want to put her in a sandwich and eat her up. I love her so much. But yeah, and I'm going to get comments as to why I leave her riff-raff and stuff in the cot, because it's a SIDS risk. I leave it with her all the time. It's the only way she sleeps. She's like me. She has to have something touching her face when she sleeps. So yeah, I leave it in there with her, and I check on her all the time. Like, her room is literally like a couple steps away from where I'm standing.
Until I tell you it is okay to get up.
And I also keep an eye on her with the monitor. I don't really have this more for sound purposes. I just have it so I can see her, so I don't have to constantly walk into the room. Or if I'm down in the studio, I bring this down with me while she's asleep so I can hear her. But yeah, that's my little update today. I haven't washed my lashes yet, so they're still a bit clumpy from the oil, but love. I feel so good when I have my lashes lifted. I'm not a big fan of eyelash extensions, but eyelash lifts are, if you've never tried them, you've got to. The best, life-changing. Good morning, guys. It is bright and early this morning. Yesterday, I was meant to vlog, but I was in such a rush to leave the house that I forgot to take my camera with me. But I went shopping with a friend. I just put Maddie down for her nap. And before she falls asleep, she always just makes these like really cute noises. I don't know if you guys can hear her, but I love her. I'm so obsessed with this child, like I can't. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Ibi to get home. He has a day off today. He has the next few days off because, well, it's Thursday today, and he's got today, tomorrow, and the weekend off because tomorrow is my birthday. It came by real quick, I'll tell you that. So he's got like a bunch of stuff planned for the weekend. I don't really know what, but today we have tonight we're going for dinner at my new favorite Italian place. It is literally the best Italian food I've ever had. They have like these incredible stuffed gnocchis, like, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I might end this vlog today and then start a new one for like my whole birthday weekend. This vlog would have been a little bit boring, but sorry about that. I'm trying to think what else I need to update you guys. Oh, my cleaning and organizing the other day. So this is what I've packed up. They're the vacuum bags. But this is maternity clothing, and I've like labeled them with my labeler. I've got a bag of my maternity clothing and then some newborn clothing down here that I've chosen to keep. And then this is just a bag of things that I want to donate. So yeah, I've got to get another diabetes bag for that. And then remember how I said I wanted to label my pantry? Yeah, that didn't happen. Oh, pardon me. Yeah, that didn't happen. I got so busy. So this still needs organizing. I'll probably end up doing this week. Honestly, like most of the time I just stand here and I listen to her play. Like, okay, now she's starting to whinge, which means she's spat her dummy out and wants me to go put it back in. I love it. I love it. Oh, she is my heart and soul. I can't deal with her. Like, I just stayed up last night looking at photos and videos of her. Like, I'm an obsessed mum. I'm so in love with this child. Hey guys, it's been quite some days since I last vlogged. I think I mentioned to you guys that my birthday was coming up and I was going on a little staycation with Ibby and Maddie. And I was going to vlog it in a separate vlog, but I honestly just wanted to enjoy the weekend just with Ibby and Maddie and like not have my phone in my hand, not have a camera in my hand, because it doesn't happen often. So we just got back today. My birthday was Friday and today was Sunday. Today is Sunday. And yeah, we just got back. It was an amazing weekend. We just hung out. We stayed in the city, so we just like went out to dinner a few times. We went out shopping. We just went walking around the whole city. Like, it was really fun. But the morning of my birthday was really beautiful. Ibby surprised me with the big 2.5 balloons and some beautiful flowers. He also took the cutest photo in the morning before I woke up. I had Maddie next to me and she woke up and I'm trying to get this to focus. He like took a little Polaroid. I was asleep and she was just having a little giggle. So cute. I love this. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. We did some shopping. I'm not a good shopper, honestly, especially now because I'm really uncomfortable with myself. I don't fit into anything. Nothing looks good. I'm 20 kilos heavier, so I don't like the way clothes look on me. So I don't really like, I'm not really enjoying buying any clothes. Like, it's just a bad buzz when you don't have, or like when you don't feel yourself and you don't look like yourself, you just don't want to buy anything. But I needed some jeans because I literally live in activewear. And I think throughout this vlog, I've been wearing like the same jumper so many times, but I swear I've washed it. And I've worn other tops, but this literally is my staple, like all black, black jumper, black leggings. It's what I live in. So I bought these ones at Lululemon, and I literally bought them for the pocket and because they're comfy. I honestly didn't get much at all. Like I said, I got my leggings. Now the bag's just full of dirty laundry. I got this blazer from Zara. So it's just like a simple black blazer and it's got scrunched sleeves. I don't actually own a blazer and I really have been looking for something like this for so long. They also had this in bright pink, which I really liked. So I got that. And then I literally just got 2 pairs of jeans from Glassons. With jeans, I always have had to just get like super stretchy material. So I just got these plain blue ones. They're really nothing fancy. Just plain blue jeans. And then another pair of blue jeans, but these ones just have some rips in them, which I love. I love ripped jeans. We also made a little stop at Ikea today. I've been wanting to get this high chair for Maddie for a while, so I got her this high chair. What is the name of it? Antelope, I think. Antelope. That is the style of the high chair. It's just a really simple white one. I'm going to get a really cute cushion for it. So there's that. There's the tray. Oh, he didn't bring down the legs. Okay. So the legs of it are still in the car. I got this mirror. I thought this would be perfect for filming because it's big and I can see more than what I can see like in the little one that I currently use. I got some wrapping paper for my mum's birthday present. I got a strainer. I thought this was really cool. You just hang it on the sink and then chuck all your veggies and whatnot inside it, and I just really thought I needed it. I mean, look, really I didn't need it, but I wanted it. I got these for oil and vinegar, and then I got this to hold it. Like, I'll put the oil and vinegar thing in there, as well as these salt and pepper shakers or grinders that I got. I got 2 types of twine. I got this thing to cut up boiled eggs and a lint roller. But yeah, that is everything I got. I'm not a big shopper, honestly. The only things I like to shop for are homewares. Anything for my house, really. Anything for my baby, and anything for my husband. I buy things for everyone else, but not for myself. That's just the type of person I am. I don't like buying myself things. Not because I don't think I deserve it, but just because I just don't look for myself. I don't know. I just get a lot more satisfaction buying things for my family. Morning, guys. Up bright and early today. I just had to go drop my car off at the dealership because we're just getting some of the chrome bits replaced, and I'm back home. I just put Maddie down to sleep, and I'm now taking the legs of the high chair that I bought yesterday, and I'm gonna go spray paint them black. I'm just really into making everything look aesthetically pleasing, and I'm trying to get rid of anything silver in my house, and having silver legs is not gonna help. So I don't really know how I'm gonna film this, but I'll work it out. Hey guys, same day, but I changed my clothes because I don't know why I was wearing my good activewear at home. Does anyone else like that? Does anyone else have like their good activewear and then like their bum activewear that they wear at home? Yeah, I don't know why I was spray painting my good ones, because if I ruined that, I would be really upset. But anyway, I thought I'd jump on here and show you guys the finished result. This is the finished result. This is what the high chair looks like. It looks really good. I love the black legs so much more than silver. It just goes with my house so much more. So yeah, super happy with that. I've ordered a placemat and a cushion from Etsy. So hopefully that comes in, hopefully within the next couple of weeks, because it is from the US. But once that comes in, it'll be ready to go for her to sit in. She's not really sitting up by herself just yet. So I don't know if I can put her in it yet, but she holds her head really well, so we'll see how we go once the cushion comes in. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because, you know, it's Monday. Kind of want to start fresh, because if I just keep filming, I'm not gonna know where to end it. So I'm going to end this vlog here and start up a new one. Hope you enjoyed this vlog and it wasn't too boring for you guys. Yeah, I don't know what type of footage I got, but so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, I feel like I say the same thing at the end of every video because I don't really know how else to close it, but you know, you guys know the drill. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more vlogs, because I actually enjoy filming them a lot. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.